Hello, hello! Today we're going to Asian market shopping again. So first we put on a mask right here. So now we're ready. Now I'm in Orlando. So now it's called Jason's Best.
This is the place we go. If you walk into the door, you see a lot of rice, you are in the right place. Rice is life.
Hello, hello! Today I'm in an Asian market. I'm going to talk about what kind of noodles to buy. Fresh noodles, dry noodles, all the noodles. Vegetable I buy. I'm holding sausage, yeah. I put this in my fried rice, this one. So watch to the end, I'll show you Sichuan ingredients to buy. What soy sauce to get, what's the dry spice. So follow me, come over. Oh, those are the fresh noodles you can get. You can put in the freezer to keep for a long time. The wheat noodles with wheat flour and salt.
Those are all gluten-free different brand rice noodles. The fresh one difference from the dried one I'm going to show you later is you boil them right away. You don't need to soak them for 2 hours. Those are the same rice noodles. They're just different shape. You can also freeze them in the freezer, keep it longer.
Here, from more fresh noodles you can get. Those are wonton noodles. You see these noodles in a Chinese restaurant with wontons. Those are egg noodles with wheat flour. And these ones are already cooked noodle. It's like a quick instant noodle meal, but I still like the raw noodles I just boil. But if you don't have time, just a good option for a quick meal. Here are bigger, thicker shaped egg noodles you can put in with wonton or eat alone. And those are made with a whole egg. It says a whole egg, yeah, whole.
If you see me walk in the Asian market like this, that means I found something exciting.
I found something.
I found fermented black garlic. Recipes coming soon with beef or chicken. Also, they have a cauliflower already chopped. What a convenience. Next, come with me here, dry noodles. This one is mung bean noodles I use for ants climbing the tree. And this one is dried rice noodles. This one is thicker shaped rice noodles, and they all require pre-soak in the water for 2 hours. They soak longer than mung bean noodles. This one just wheat noodles with eggs in there. You don't need to soak them, just put in the boiling water, cook them for a few minutes.
The dry noodles I usually get, those are the wider ones, bigger shape. This one, Shandong ramen. Here behind me are instant noodles. So one of the brand I like to get is this Korean brand. There's one for noodle soup. One of my favorite. Had really good beef broth flavor. This one. Also, if you like spicy, this one's really spicy. And my daughter still add extra chili oil in those. So in my videos, I use a lot Ichiban. I have a video, boil the noodles, put in my sauce, not using the package. If you love cheese, this one, the same brand, Samyang. This one, if you love cheese, that's good.
The cashier saw me in the camera, asked me why I'm walking like this, so excited. Because each Asian market offers different variety of vegetables. I'm always so happy to find something I used to get back home in China.
Just hot pepper, hot long pepper. These ones, hot pepper. I mix with red pepper. Look at that. So in Sichuan, the douban is made of this similar shape but red. It's not cayenne pepper. In Sichuan, we call jintiao. I don't think you can even find it here. Very similar but red. Chinese food, you only need ginger, but I always pick like that. Shape like this, so easier to peel, not complicated shapes. So you pick something straight, much better peel at home. You still keep your veggie and food in the bag? They won't last long. Thank you, Zwilling, for sponsoring the video today. Here's the fresh and safe kit. You can keep your veggie and herbs 5 times longer. The glass container. Here, vacuum sealer. Also some sous vide vacuum bag. The vacuum seal container can keep my strawberries, any berry fruit, so much longer. I hate wasting food. So easy to do. Just put this lid on. Here's a vacuum sealer. Take a cap off, put it in the center of this, press one button. This will stop automatically. Oh, it's done! I love using fresh herbs. Keep them in the container vacuum sealed. They can be fresh so much longer. Very easy. You can get a free lunchbox with my coupon code Vivian after you purchase the fresh and safe starter kit. I'm also getting some eggplant for 鱼香茄子, fish fragrant eggplant. And if you love celery, This Chinese celery tastes actually different from American one. You can see how skinny they are. They have more strong fragrance, I would say. And those long beans I always buy. I pickle. Those are the ones I pickle in my pickle jar. Also, you can make cold dishes. They're really good. Come to put in. To make Chinese dumplings, I buy these Chinese chives. Those ones goes to the dumplings. This you need to buy, yeah, right here. And this is different. This chive flour. I use this a lot for stir fry with pork. It's really good. You definitely should try this chive flour.
This is my favorite brand soy sauce. The name is 万家香. I like this premium aged soy sauce because it has a very fragrant aroma and a good umami taste. 李锦记 is another brand that I use for everyday light soy sauce. Come over here, I show you the vinegar I use. It's called 镇江 vinegar, 镇江香醋. You will find more information on my Asian Market Cookbook. You can pre-order now, link in description. Next. Sichuan chili pepper powder. This brand translated in English called Wise Wife. That's a funny name. In Chinese called 巧媳妇. That sounds much better. And this brand is Donglong East Dragon. It's also good too. Of course, you need to get some dried star anise. And this Sichuan peppercorn is a special one. It's a green Sichuan peppercorn. Fresher, non-mint taste than the red ones. This is rock sugar. They look like little crystals. That's what you need to get.
It's a rice cake you need to get. But we use this shape a lot in China to make stir fry, soup, a lot of things. And for rice cake, breakfast, you need this fermented rice, like that. Here I found the Chinese rice cake right here. There's a Chinese brand, also Korean brand. It's the same as this. And this is a tart shell for the egg custard tart. It's so good.
Thank you for watching today with me, and I will have more video coming soon in the Asian market. Let me know what you want to see me shop next time.